right, now on to some of the worded questions that we had. And I think we were looking at originally, let's look at question 1. We have 5 plates and 2 bowls cost $53 and 3 plates and 8 bowls cost $93. Find the cost of each item. So what we're going to start with is we're going to say let plates be X and bowls be Y. It's always important that we explain what we're doing to start with. So we've got something down here for plates and bowls. We've got X and Y. Now let's come back to the question. We have 5 plates and 2 bowls cost $53. Okay, so 5 plates. So that's going to be 5X plus 2 bowls, 2Y, equals $53. Or I guess in the context of the equation, we don't need to have the dollar sign there. So 5X plus 2Y equals 53. Our other equation is 3 plates, so that's going to be 3X plus 8 bowls, 8Y, equals $93. I'll get rid of that dollar sign so we've got just the equation. And now we have equation 1 and equation 2, and we can solve. So we can solve using elimination, we could solve using substitution, we could solve using our graphics calculator or using some sort of functionality on the computer. But what will I do? I might solve by using elimination because I've got a 2 and an 8 here. So if I multiply this one here by -4, I'm going to be able to eliminate Y. All right, so let me work through that. We are going to do line 1 times by -4. So we end up with minus 20x, that's -4 times 5, minus 8y, -4 times by 2y, equals 53. 53 times -4. So we're going to end up with a negative, aren't we? And this is going to test my arithmetic at this time of night. 4 3s are 12, remainder 1. 5 4s are 20. So it should be -212. Okay, so we now have 2 equations. If we look at them here, we've got our new version of equation 1 and we've got equation 2. Now, if we add these 2 together, we should be able to eliminate the y. So we have 3x and -20x. We end up with -17x. The y's are eliminated. And then we have, oh dear, -212 plus 93. So that's going to give us -119, I hope. Let me think this through. Is that going to work? Yes. Okay, so we have -17x equals -119. Ooh, that looks horrible. I'm hoping at this point that 119 is going to be divisible by 17 because that'll make my life easier. Let's have a go at that. So we've got 2 negatives. So we'll end up with a positive. So I'm going to end up with 119 divided by 17. Let me think through this. Can I do it without a calculator? Or will I be lazy? Let's grab a calculator out. Let's see if I've got one that will work easily. Okay, let's just get rid of what's there. So what was I going to say? 119 divided by 17. Whew, it is nice, 7. Okay, so x is 7. X equals 7. Now, that was using our elimination method. We can now come back and solve for y. So we can plug it into either of the 2 equations. So we will substitute x equals 7 into, we'll use equation 1. So we have 5x plus 2y equals 53. And we sub in x equals 7. So we end up with 5 times 7 plus 2y equals 53. That's obviously going to be 35. And, okay, now we need to subtract that. So we end up with 2y equals 53. Take 35. What's that going to leave us with? 35, 45. 55. That should leave us with 18, I believe. So y is going to be 9. Okay, oops, I wasn't filming the right spot. Okay, that is how we solve that first question there. How many plates and bowls? But we have to actually probably frame it in the right possible way. I haven't quite finished this problem because it says find the cost of each item. And I've just got some algebra here. So at the top, we said let plates be X. So I know that plates cost $7 and bowls, which is what y is, cost $9 in this. So there we go. That is our final answer for that one there.